Welcome to this tutorial. Now go to your Java and under Java your package name and right click on it and create new activity. Create an empty activity and name it player activity. I'm going to name it just player and finish. Alright, this is created. So what next you need to do is to go to your GitHub page and from there just copy this code from here, go to player underscore activity player XML file and paste it right here, and make sure to add this BVP here. For BVP just go again to the page and there he hasn't referenced it, so what we can do is alt enter it and create namespace declaration and copy this one from here, paste it under BVP. Alright, next, if you remember one thing that in the previous video I asked you that we need to change this activity a little bit in the manifest file. For that, get there and go to GitHub and copy the required things which we need to change. We need to add these two lines. Copy these two lines and paste right here, and instead of app theme, add app theme no action bar, which we have created in styles.xml, this one, this activity. Alright, so our player is, I guess, ready, and make these connections. Go to design view and connect it from all sides. You can do this from here on all four sides. Alright, next go to player.java and get here. From here what you need to do is to add this implements better video callback. This is actually an interface which we are going to implement. Alt enter to import it, and now it is asking to implement its methods. Just get here and copy all of this code from here. It is scrolling very slow when I've selected this. Alright, perfect. Copy this and paste it right here. Just remove it and paste it. Now you will see a couple of errors. Just go through all of these errors and press alt enter to import the things that are required for this. And here its XML file name is activity my player, but our name is activity player, so just remove this my from here, it will be alright. And its player name is id is player. Let's check ours. Its id is bvp, so just copy that and paste it here, or you can change it in the XML file if you want to assign it another ID. Alright, next, I think everything is fine. So what now we need to do is to call this activity whenever person clicks on some item of that list. So for that we need to have a recycler. We need to have recycler view on click listener. So for that, go to our main activity, main activity.xml, and let's apply recycler view dot set on item click listener. There is no methods, there is no such method. So for that we need to create custom interface. Right click on video player and click on Java class, and from here just select interface and name it custom item click listener. Perfect. Next, define two methods. First one, void on item click, and it will be having two parameters. First, a view type of v, and next alt enter to import it. Next, in position, add another method in it, void on item long click. We will be using this later on in this course. Now we don't need this actually. So go to your adapter, create an instance of it. Here custom item click listener, custom item click listener, and in the constructor let's have its object and assign it. This dot custom click item click listener is equal to custom item. Alright, next go to your my adapter on create view holder, and inside this and apply this like so, view dot set on click listener, new click listener. Alright, and next custom item click listener dot on item click, and pass it the view object, and next I. It is showing some kind of error. So the error is that we need to create this view final. Also this I needs to be final. In order to do that, I'm going to create another variable, final position is equal to I. final int position is equal to I, and I'm going to pass the position here. Also what I can do is I can get position from view holder. View holder is at the bottom, so I need to bring this here. View holder dot get position. Alright, so we don't need this variable. Perfect. Next, go to your main activity, and here we need to pass another thing that will be new on new custom click listener, and it will implement its methods. On item click, we will be having here the position of that, and we will use that position to play. In order to play the video, actually we need to get the position so that we can pass it the path of that particular video and start the player activity. So what we need to do now is to create an intent. Intents are used to launch another activity from one activity. Pass it main activity dot class, main activity dot this, and the activity that you want to launch, and that is player activity, player dot class. Next, actually we need to pass this position to the player so that that can grab the video from here. So intent dot put extra integer, put extra is enough, and name it. For example, I'm going to name it position, comma, the value of it. Value is coming from this variable right here, position, so I'm going to pass that here. Position, it's not position, it's position. I misspelled it when I created this interface. So next we need to start this activity. Pass it the intent. Perfect. Next, go to player activity, player.java, and inside on create, let's get the position. For position, I'm going to create a variable here. Int position is equal to, initially make it 0, and next I'm going to get it from here. In order to get that, we need to call function get intent dot get extra, get int extra. This is the function, and the flag was position, not the flag, actually the name of that, and the default value is 0. If that isn't assigned yet, then it will give us 0. So we need to assign it to our position variable. Now we have the position, and we can access the array list as splash screen dot videos. So what next we need to do is, instead of setting the resource from this, actually I'm going to set the resource from there, our array list. In order to do that, what we need to do is splash screen dot videos dot get I, for I pass it the position, dot get path, and we are getting the path is a string type of variable, but the set source requirement is a URI kind of variable. So in order we need to actually typecast it from string to URI. For that, there is a function called URI.parse. So you can apply that function using Alt Enter, and the second one wrap using URI.pos. This will convert the string into URI. Perfect. Next, what we need to do is to start our player dot start. Let's run this project. So I will be running this project in the next video. So that's it for this video. See you in the next.